Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Oren from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. So on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our left eye. And now we're going to move over on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that, drawing in a nice big circle. Now as we come in towards the middle of both eyes, we're just going to draw in a straight line from left to right. And then moving underneath, we're just going to draw in a half circle. Now moving directly underneath for the mouth, we're just going to draw in an arch line from left to right. Let's move across and draw in the headphones now. So on the right, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We'll line this up at the same height, moving over on the left, and replicate that. On the top now, on both, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom, ending those at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on the right-hand side, as well as on the left. On both sides now, stepping further down, we're going to draw in an arch line from top to bottom. Let's close off the head. So on the top, moving up above, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line on the top, we're going to continue to bring this line down and in on the right. Let's move underneath now, and we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right, bringing that all the way around and then up. Now for the hair, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out towards our right eye. From that point, we're going to bring this line up. Again, from the corner here, we're going to bring this diagonal line out towards our right eye. And then again, from that point, we're just going to bring this line up towards the top. For the eyebrows on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line out, and then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right. For the headphone strap up above now, on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to start back on this line, continuing to bring this line all the way around and then down on the right. Stepping outside of that again, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then again on the top, starting back on that line, we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then down on the right. Now for the antennas, on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we're going to move over on the left hand side, lining it up at the same height, and we'll replicate that. Now on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out towards our strap. And then we're going to bring that underneath the strap, bringing that in towards the top of the head. Now let's move down for the body. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that gets wider as we come down towards the bottom of our page. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right-hand side, bringing that all the way down. And now we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Oren from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.